Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G52, and today I'll show you how you can record the screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, and in here, in the toggles above, we should somewhere see there we go, screen recorder. So once you find it, you can hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize a couple of the settings for the video recording. From there, let's go back to the toggle once more, tap on it, select start, and this will automatically begin recording after the countdown ends. There we go. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. If you open some apps, they will be recorded as well. Now once you've done recording, you can tap on the square right here to prematurely or just overly end the recording, and that recording that we have just saved or stopped is now saved to our Photos application. So I'm gonna quickly open that up, and there we go, we can see the video recording. So anyway, that is how you can record your screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.